Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this week we're doing something really simple. It's how to crochet a bookmark, a flower bookmark. Really simple and easy to make. Before we get right into the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And please always give my video a thumbs up, it's really important. And now to get right into the video, I'm using an acrylic yarn and my crochet hook is a 3.5mm scissors and darning needle for this bookmark. And now we're going to start with a magic ring, and then in the magic ring we're going to start with a chain 2. We're going to chain 2, and then we are going to do 11 half double crochet into the magic circle. So we're going to do 11 half double crochet into the magic circle. So what you do with how to do a half double crochet is yarn over and you pull through the 3 loops, just like that, and that's how you make a half double crochet. So we're going to do 11 of this. So now I have 11 half double crochet into the magic circle. Please do not forget to pull the tail of the magic circle, keep it tight. And now I'm going to do my slip stitch into the first chain 2 stitch. So I'm going to do a slip stitch there. We chain 1 now and we cut off this yarn and fasten off, and this is the end of it. So I'm going to weave in the tail of the magic circle with a darning needle. So you have to weave in your tail, and now I'm going to add the other color, the next color. We're going to start the next color with a slip stitch. So now to join the next color, we are going to start from any stitch wherever you want to start from. So I'm just going to pick one of the stitches, just go under the 2 loops, and we are going to insert our next color in, and we are going to start this with a chain 3. We're going to chain 3, and now we are going to do 4 treble crochet all the way in the US term, a triple crochet. So we're going to do a treble crochet. So you're going to yarn over 3 times and go into the next stitch, and we are going to do 4 treble crochet. So I'm going in now with my last treble crochet. So we have 4 treble crochet, and now we are going to chain 3, and we'll go into the next stitch and do a slip stitch. And this is going to be just a repeated pattern. We're just going to keep repeating this to have 6 petals in total. And so now we are done with our first petal. I just did a slip stitch there, and that's the first petal. So we're going to do 6 of this. So we're going to repeat. We're going to repeat what we did for the first time. We are going to do a chain of 3, 4 treble crochets into the next stitch. Into the next stitch again, we are going to put another we're going to put a slip stitch. So I'm doing a slip stitch here now. I've done the second petal, so I'm starting this third petal now. So we're going to chain 3. We're going to do 4 treble crochet into the next stitch. So now after the 4 treble crochet, I do a chain 3, I go into the next stitch and I do a slip stitch. So we're going to do this all around, and I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. So I think I'm going to do one more just to show you again, and I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. So this is my last petal, so I'm going to do my chain 3, and into that last stitch I'm going to do my slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1 now to fasten off. So now the next thing to do is grab my green yarn to do the stem and the leaf to attach to the petal. So we're going to start with a chain of 10. You're going to skip the first chain and go into the second chain and start with a single crochet. You single crochet, you go into the next with a half double crochet, into the next 2 chains with 1 double crochet each, into the next 2 chains with 1 double crochet each. So that's 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitch. Then we are going to do 1 treble crochet, and now we are going to start again with another 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitch. So we're going to do 1 double crochet, another 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and now we are going to do a half double crochet into the next. So for your last stitch, for the last stitch, we're going to do a single crochet into the last stitch. So that's our last stitch. We're going to do a single crochet. So after the single crochet, I'm going to chain 2. Then I'm going to be working in the opposite direction now. I'm going to go into that same space where I did my single crochet and do another 1 single crochet again. Now we are working in the opposite direction, as I said, and into the first chain above the right chain, right under your your last single crochet, you're going to go in again and do another single crochet. So you're going to start the opposite round with a single crochet, and we're going to repeat the same thing. Go into the next stitch with half double crochet, and then we are going to do one single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then after that, we are going to do 1 treble crochet, repeating the same pattern we did on the other side, that's the opposite side. And we are going to do, now we're done with the 1 treble crochet. Now again we're going to do another 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So I'm done with the half double crochet. Into the last stitch, you're going to do a single crochet, and do not forget to go into the next stitch and do a slip knot. Please, I did my slip knot here. I'm so sorry I did not show it here, but I did a slip knot just right above there. Please do a slip knot, and then when you do your slip knot, we are going to start with the stem, and we are going to do a chain of 45 or 40. I did 45. If you want it to be a little bit shorter, it depends on you. You can do 40, but I did 45 chains for this, for the stem. So I'm done with the 45 chains. I'm going to grab my scissors. So make sure you pull a little bit of yarn. So for you to attach the stem to the petal, please leave some yarn, a long yarn to attach. So I'm going to get my darning needle now to attach this. So you're going to start with a darning needle, attach it with the stem, the yarn you left on the stem, and then just at the back of the petal, just go in right there and attach it. So I'm just going to do this for a couple of few stitches, and I'm just going to just go in behind the back and just make sure it's secure properly, and just sew that in, and that is it. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial or you love my videos, please do not forget to leave a comment for me, and do not forget to give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And if you are interested in getting a new crochet kit, please go to my description box and you're going to find a link to crochet kit for beginners. You are going to get 20 yarns, darning needles, crochet hooks of different sizes. So the link is in my bio, in my description, so you can get the link there to get your own crochet beginners kit. So this is the end of the video. I've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.